My name is Keenan Wyrobek. I'm co-founder and head of product and engineering here at Zipline. We run the most advanced drone delivery service in the world. Zipline is dedicated to helping doctors save lives even in the hardest to reach places. Our planes crisscross the skies every day, delivering critical and life-saving medicine to people in need. With so many flights flying every day over both populated and unpopulated areas, we've put a lot of work into building safety features into everything we do. In our operations, for example, we use cutting-edge technology like computer vision in each pre-flight check to make sure that plane is ready to fly its life-saving mission. We are in direct contact with aviation authorities, enabling them to track every one of our flights. We use advanced algorithms and software testing to ensure that all our planes know where they are and where they need to go. To maintain the highest standard of safety, we've built redundant systems into our aircraft. The aircraft has two motors. If one stops working, it will keep flying on the other one. And the same is true for our plane's power, communication, and navigation systems. We've built backups for each, so if one stops working, the other kicks in and the plane keeps flying. Our aircraft are designed to fly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in all kinds of weather and over all kinds of terrain. All the plane safety features work automatically on board the aircraft. From the ground, you won't even be able to tell they're working. All except one, and it's the system we are most proud of, the parachute landing system. We know that sometimes our planes might encounter challenges in flight where even our redundant systems are not enough. For example, aviation authorities may tell us to clear the skies in an emergency. Or unexpected extreme weather might require one of our planes to land right where it is. If such an event happens, that plane will deploy a large parachute, enabling it to gently land. And we are committed to making and operating the safest system of its kind in the world. People's lives depend on Zipline, and that's a responsibility we take very seriously.